HCL Tech downgraded its margin guidance for the full year to 17 to 18% from 18 to 19% earlier. EBIT margins for the quarter fell 160 bips from March. However, the lower end of the revenue growth guidance is raised to 3 to 5% from 2 to 5% earlier, but that is on expected lines. Jefferies has upgraded the stock while Citi sees some short-term downside. Tejas Networks reported a net loss for the first quarter compared to a net profit last year. On a sequential basis, the loss has widened. The revenue fell 89% from the last quarter and 87% from last year due to a delayed receipt of a purchase order and shipments of 18,000 sites of the BSNL 4G network. Tata Technologies revenue dropped 4.5% in constant currency terms, which was better than the 6.5% drop that was feared. Margins narrowed and were below estimates. However, the management continues to remain optimistic about the second half of the year, saying that the deal pipeline is more robust than what it was last year. Another Tata Group stock, Rallis India, saw a 22% jump in sales while profits nearly doubled from last year. Margins also saw an expansion. The management is cautiously optimistic and expects the export market to gradually recover in the quarters ahead. HDFC Life, ICICI Lombard, ICICI Prudential, Himadri Specialty, Bank of Maharashtra, General Insurance Corporation, AWL Agri, GM Breweries are some of the stocks that are reporting results today. Also reporting results is the newly listed HDB Financial Services, and that will be their first results after listing. Sun Pharma has announced the launch of its specialty product Lexelvi in the US markets after having settled a patent dispute regarding the same. Analysts see this as a $300 million to a $500 million opportunity over the next 5 years. Railtel has won a Kavach deployment order from the East Central Railway worth 264 crore. RVNL has backed a 447 crore project from the Delhi Metro, while Power Mech Projects has won a 498 crore order from SJVN. Yes Bank's infrastructure bonds and Basel III compliant Tier 2 bonds have been upgraded by ratings agency ICRA to AA- with a stable outlook from its earlier rating of A with a positive outlook. And Glenmark, RBL Bank and Hindustan Copper continue to remain in the F&O band today.